If keeping your home spotless feels like a daily struggle, the MAMNV BR151 robot vacuum and mop combo is here to make your life easier. This 2-in-1 robotic cleaner doesn't just vacuum, it also mops, giving you a completely hands-free cleaning experience. And with a 45% discount right now, it's the perfect time to grab one. With a powerful 1400 PA suction, this compact yet efficient vacuum picks up dust, dirt, and pet hair with ease. Whether it's fine debris or larger messes, it tackles it all while adjusting to different surfaces like hard floors, low-pile carpets, wood, and tile. And the best part? It mops at the same time thanks to its intelligent water control system that ensures just the right amount of moisture for streak-free floors. Controlling this robot is effortless. Use the Tuya Smart app to schedule cleanings, change modes, or direct the vacuum exactly where you want it to go. Too busy to grab your phone? No problem. It works with Google Assistant, so you can simply say the word and it'll get to work. Whether you're a tech-savvy user or new to smart devices, setting it up is a breeze. One common issue with robot vacuums is getting stuck or missing spots, but this one is built differently. With advanced 3D obstacle avoidance, it intelligently navigates around furniture, stairs, and other obstacles. Plus, its ultra-slim 2.87-inch design allows it to slip under sofas, beds, and other tight spaces where dust loves to hide. Different homes need different cleaning styles, and this robot has you covered. Choose from 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning. The zigzag pattern, in particular, improves efficiency by 30%, ensuring maximum coverage without missing areas. With a 2500 mAh battery, it runs for up to 100 minutes on a single charge, more than enough to clean a standard-sized home. And when the battery runs low, it automatically returns to the charging dock, so you never have to worry about it running out of power mid-clean. Another standout feature is its advanced, non-rolling brush design. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that often get tangled with pet hair, this one eliminates that hassle, making it perfect for pet owners. And with ultra-low noise levels of just 60 decibels, it cleans quietly without disturbing your daily activities or your sleeping baby. If you've been searching for a smart, budget-friendly robot vacuum that actually delivers, this is it. And with a massive 45% discount, there's no better time to upgrade your cleaning routine. Click the link below and get yours today before the deal is gone.